So yun guys, no, huwag na natin patagalin para sa mga naghahanap pagkakitaan online, right? Please meet Amazon 99 Mall. Okay, it's a shopping platform na kung saan mag-grab lang tayo ng simple task and then after that, yun na, lalabas na yung ating kita. Pero paalala, ang bawat investment, mapa-online man o hindi, ay laging merong kalakip na disgrasya. So always do your own research and take your own risk para wala kayong sihin bandang huli. Okay, again, please meet Amazon 99 Mall. How does platform work out? Yun yung pag-uusapan natin for today's video. Okay, so syempre bago tayo makapasok dito, kailangan muna natin mag-create ng ating account. Okay, to start making your account, lalagay lang natin yung ating email. Alright? Okay, so gawa lang tayo ng ating password and then please confirm ng ating password dito and then please enter your invitation code. Alright? So once you use my link down below, hindi na po kayo hanapan pa ng invitation code and then you're good to go. Simply click register na lang dito. Okay, so nakatago siya. Okay, so in my case guys, so meron ako copy dito kaya magla-login muna ako. Okay, there you go. Napakabilis. Right, so check na natin. Upgrade your work VIP 3 up to 5. Yung kikitain na receive 20 TRX, 8 TRX, and 200 TRX. Okay, so marami tayong benepisyo makukuha dito. By the way guys, there are 2 ways of earning sa ganitong klaseng platform. 1 by investing and 2 by inviting. Check muna natin kung paano tayo kikita dito. So meron silang na binigay na TRX 180 balance. Okay, again guys, hindi pa natin ito magagamit, hindi natin ito makuha. Okay, but magagamit natin ito sa pag-start ng ating investment. Okay, so palamuti pa lang to. Okay, so check natin guys, no, ang membership level nila. So dito guys yung ating kitaan. Okay, so dito required sa VIP 1 investment TRX is 20. Okay, ang kikitain natin dito 20% income. Ang order nyo dito is 4. Okay, so papakita ko sa inyo guys, no, how to do your orders para kumita. Okay, and then dito guys, no, sa VIP 2, okay, required niya dito is 120 TRX or katumbas ng check natin guys muna sa Google. Okay, 4.24 ang TRX ngayon guys. So ang 120 TRX is 508. Okay, so 4.24 ita-times lang natin guys, no. So balik tayo. Okay, and then after 4 orders pa rin, ang income range mo dito is 25%. As you can see guys, no, tumataas siya na tumataas. And the last one is required niya is TRX 100,000. So 45% na and 4 orders pa rin. So halos lahat ng orders niya is 4. So napakadali lang guys. By doing simple tasks, like I said, dito 4 lang na task, gagrab ka lang and then yun na. So mag-generate na yung pera mo. Okay, so lalabas na yung income mo. Alright, so check natin yung iba guys, no? So mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung paano gagawin ito. And by the way, so dito naman sa invitation, right? So kung gusto niyo kumita even while you're sleeping, ayan. So pwede tayong mag-invite. Okay, so ito yung kikitain natin. Share links, invite friends to join and enjoy team benefits. The more you invite your subordinates to recharge, the more commission you will get. So like I said guys, even while you're sleeping, kasi yung mga invite mo, yung makasamaan mo na na-invite mo, sila yung mag-i-invite para sa'yo. So sila yung gagawa ng pera sa'yo. So yun yung makuha natin dito, massive commission. And pay 1,000 at 10,000 TRX for lower level team member and you will get 1,000. So napakalaki guys, like I said, no. And sa B, okay, sa 1,000, sa 10,000 may makukuha kang 250 and then sa C may makukuha kang 100 TRX sa 10,000. So kamay-kamay na yan guys. And like I said, napakalaki ng kitaan dito lalo sa inviting. Okay, so optional lang yung pagka-top up. Alright, so balik tayo dito. Now this time guys, napapakita ko naman sa inyo kung saan siya makukuha. So ito yung invitation link niyo guys, no, again, no. And by the way guys, no, they have a customer support. If ever you have a question, tap lang natin dito, exclusive customer service. Okay, so and then check natin yung may kung anong nilalaman dito. Alright, so available natin 180, magagamit natin ito mamaya. So dadagdagan natin dito, and then team report. Okay, dito sa team report guys, makikita natin yung ating transaction, kung mayroon tayong mga invite, kung mayroon tayong pwede nang i-withdraw. And also guys, yung ating account details, recharge record, dito natin makikita. And then withdraw, of course, if you want to withdraw. Okay, kung meron na tayong ma-withdraw. So this time, I'm gonna teach you how to top up. Okay, so balik tayo dito. And start making money. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. So magta-top up muna tayo. Okay, and then copy lang natin to. Then punta tayo sa ating wallet. Okay, TRX lang tayo guys, no? Send by crypto. Paste natin yung wallet address na kinopya natin. And TRC20 yung ating address. Okay, amount. So let's gonna try to top up 20 TRX. Gawin ko ng 21 kasi dito merong P si Binance. Okay, transaction P niya. Okay, and then withdraw lang natin. Alright, so na-submit na ni Binance. Okay, so withdrawal processing na siya. And then now, let's go back here. Okay, so antayin lang natin guys, no? Kasi pina-process pa lang ni Binance. Pina-forward niya dito. Alright, so balik tayo dito guys, no? Check natin muna. Okay, dapat magkakaroon tayo ng plus 20, magiging 200 TRX. And after that, papakita ko na sa inyo how to grab your task. Okay, so mag-start na tayo. So wait lang tayo saglit. Alright, so yun guys, no, dumating na yung ating diniposit, naging 200 TRX na siya. Okay, so malinaw, di ba? And right, so this time papakita ko na sa inyo kung paano natin gagawin to. Okay, pararamihin na natin siya. Okay, so dito, click lang natin tong kamay na ito na nakaganyan. Okay, so dito guys, no, completed 0, all 4. So kailangan natin magawa itong 4 na task. Okay, so start grabbing na tayo. Okay, so 1, right, submit lang natin. Okay, start pa tayo again. 2, submit. Okay, isa pa. Right, last one na tayo guys, no, napakabilis. Okay, last one. And there you go, successful grabbing na siya. Okay, so submit lang natin. Okay, order complete na siya. So close na natin siya guys, no. So we have completed 4 tasks. Okay, so ayan na guys, no. So check na natin guys, no, yung ating balance naging 205 na siya. And the good news, okay, right away pwede na natin yung i-withdraw. Okay, so tap natin dito guys, no, this time how to withdraw naman tayo kung gusto nyo nang i-withdraw. Pero ako ayoko muna siyang i-withdraw kasi mas maganda ipunin ko muna siya dahil maliit pa lang naman yung kinita natin. Alright, so just in case na gusto nyo mag-withdraw, syempre babain muna natin yung ating wallet. Okay, so papakita ko muna sa inyo guys, no, how to bind your account. Okay, so bind bank card. And then please enter your wallet address. So this time balik tayo again sa ating wallet. And then guys, no, deposit. Okay, TRC20. Copy lang natin. And balik tayo dito. Okay, paste natin yung ating wallet address dito. Please enter your PAN password. Post lang natin. Okay, and then confirm. Okay, completed. So naibay na natin yung ating wallet. This time, automatic na siya na mag-withdraw ka ng mag-withdraw. Okay, so at the next day. Okay, so balik tayo dito. Okay, so ito guys, no, withdrawal. Okay, and then please enter amount. Okay, so meron tayong 5. Okay, so pwede nyo ilagay dyan kung gusto nyo na siyang i-withdraw. Okay, withdrawal amount. And then guys, please enter your PAN password, for example. And then click nyo lang guys, submit. Okay, so ganun lang siya guys, kadali mag-withdraw. Tapos antayin nyo lang sa inyong wallet na dumating. Okay, for now, hindi ko muna siya withdrawin kasi maliit pa. Okay, again, thank you so much for watching. Happy earnings. God bless.